Have you ever heard the term pro se? Or at the same time you heard the term in pro per? So what does it mean? Pro se in Latin means for oneself or on behalf of oneself. Legally, these terms mean you're representing yourself or you're acting as counsel for yourself in a legal proceeding. You'll commonly hear the term pro se when it comes to federal cases and in pro per when it comes to state cases. But they both technically mean you're representing yourself in that proceeding without an attorney. Even though the courts have held, the Supreme Court has held, that you have a right to an attorney, you also have a right to represent yourself. But there's dangers to it. The court's gonna hold you at the same standard as an attorney. That means you have to have knowledge of the law and knowledge of the court procedures. The court's gonna warn you about this because it's critical and you can cause serious damage to your case by trying to represent yourself in it. And you might hear the court tell you a quote from Abraham Lincoln, which he said, "If you represent yourself, you have a fool for a client most of the time." Even though you can represent yourself, it's always better to have an attorney. You think about it. At least you'll have a second opinion, or really a second professional opinion, who knows the courts, who have been through it multiple times.